Okay, so today we got the Enclave. Uh, we had an, we have a noise, like a clicking noise or something loose on the front end suspension that we're gonna take care of today. Uh, it probably the shocks, but see, the first thing you have to do is press to see if the shocks are bad. If there's any noise, doing this way. There's not any noise, so I don't suspect that the shocks are the problem. Here on this side we got a little bit a noise right here, as you can see right here. Let me show you. Here's a clicking noise on this part right here. Not bad, but you can hear it. Let me show you. But hold on. See? Okay, I'm gonna press I'm gonna push the down and up the engine. Okay, and you will see the little click. Okay, you hear it? You hear me? You may not. Okay, I'm gonna try something else. Okay, so I've been pushing the car up and down, and I hear a little noise right here. Let me show you just again, and I think I found some good things about it. Look, that's some. Can you hear it? That's a clicking noise when I'm driving it on low speed. That's the clicking noise that I hear. Alright, this is my son helping me today. Go over there with your mom. See, it's on this side. I'm gonna try the other side, and the other side is not making the same noise. Let me just see if you can see me doing it. See, it's in the other side, okay? So now next, I'm gonna show you closer to the to that problem, okay? Okay, I'm gonna do it again and see if you can see it from the bottom, okay?
No quiere. Vete, Danielito.
Can you hear it? ¿Sí pueden escucharlo? Okay, now we're gonna check it out if there's any movement or any noise when we move the wheel back and forth. No? No? Everything looks nice. Okay, now I'm gonna take the wheel off. Okay, now just check all the parts here, if anything loose by moving it by hand. But as you can see, nothing is moved by hand. Anything is loose without the wheel, with the wheel off. And I cannot move the car like I did it before. But I'm just checking all the parts and everything looks okay. I had to put the tire back on to hear the noise, to the click noise again, and then now with the tire on, I can hear it again, and I will show you guys what is the problem at. Okay, it's just right behind the. Okay, so acá te lo voy a enseñar. I just found the problem right here with the clicking noise. Is doing on my car, and this is what I found. Let me see if I can go that. I removed the tire already, but without the tire I can really tell. But here, as you can see, this is the part that I'm talking about. If you come here, so I'm gonna have to replace this part right here. Okay, and this is the other one from the other side. Esta es el otro lado, y van a ver que aquí it doesn't make any noise. Oh shoot. Okay, so here's this one right here, the long one. So I'm gonna just say no noise. A little bit. Hay muy poquito. Okay, I'm gonna replace both of them at the same time anyways. Okay, this is se llaman los upper links, algo así. ¿Sabe qué? ¿Cómo se llaman estos? As you can see, without the wheel, you cannot hear anything, you know, without the wheel. See, no noise without the wheel, but with the wheel on it, this is the one is making noise. Also, I'm gonna replace the boots from right there. As you can see, are very bad. See, right there. All right, so hopefully it's gonna fix the problem, and I post another video how to take it off and put it back together. All right, thank you for watching and have a nice day.